Hey guys, it's 3Gs, and today I'm gonna bring y'all a prank, my second prank on this channel, which will be, I guess, maybe not a fail like last time, but my sisters are about to come from the bus, and I'm gonna try to prank them, see if this works, because I mean, last time, kind of failed, but hopefully this time I'll do better. And well, I'm just gonna scare them when they come through the door and see what their reaction is gonna be. Hopefully, Star is probably gonna be like, "I said sad," but it's fine. But let's get on with the prank in like 5 minutes or so till they come, because so far they're not here yet, but they will be. And well, I hope y'all like this. Hope y'all like this prank, and comment down below what our next video should be. Like and subscribe to our channel. Y'all won't regret it. And see y'all next week in next week's challenge, which is going to be very, very fun. And let's get on with the prank.
Oh my gosh, where's the camera?
I don't know.
It's right there.
Sorry about the mess, you guys.
I almost
How was school? And you were panicked.
Nah.
Were you scared?
Nah.
Were you scared?
Nah.
Were you scared? How was school?
But do you know Mama sent me a letter?
What letter?
The one. You suck.
You sick. Bye, stars.
Bye. Well, I hope you like and subscribe. Like this video and comment down below what challenge we should do next. And please subscribe.